the git clone and git push, there are two ways to do this thing now. One is for git clone or git clone, either you use HTTPS where you put the username password, or you use git URL for SSH. When you use SSH, you need to create an SSH key. SSH key is basically host specific. Host specific means it's specific for a machine. Like for example, if you are using Windows machine, this SSH key that you generate should be in the Windows machine .ssh folder as id underscore rsa and id underscore rsa.pub. So after generation, this id rsa, which is a private key, and this id rsa.pub is a public key. You use the public key and put the public key to the GitHub SSH key direct text box, or in the Gitlab it's also same. You put it on the SSH key text box. Okay, I will show you both of those. But in general, it's also true for bitbucket. For Atlassian it's the same. So usually, like SSH key, you generate the SSH key in your machine, copy the SSH key, SSH public key, not the private key. Private key is used. Okay, if private key is exposed, then your source code is gone. Okay, so you copy the public key and put it on the GitHub Gitlab or to the Atlassian bitbucket. Okay, and then you can clone it, then you can push the code, you can put a code review. It's also same for Gerrit. Okay, so Google's Gerrit project, so it's the same. You can use it everywhere, and you don't never need to use username and password for HTTPS. You just use SSH git URL and then clone, push, commit, review, everything. Okay, so I'll show it to you. So to generate, you can see I am using a git bash URL, git bash console in my Windows machine. So here I will give a command called SSH. Sorry, here you go. I will put a command like SSH key gen. Okay, so it will generate a key in, you can see your this is the private key. Okay, where your key is stored, you just say default. Okay, so I already created. Do you want to override? I say no. Okay, and then sorry, okay, I will show it to you again. Let's override it. I already created, but yes, so I enter it, I say override, yes. So it will ask for the passkey. If you want to make your private key more secure, you put the passkey. But then what will happen? Every time you clone, every time you push, commit, then it will ask for your password. So I usually put it empty. Okay, and then it is done. Now you have your public key and private key. So private key is the identification, that is instead of the id.rsa, and another one is id.rsa. So we will not use this public. We will just use the private key. Okay, and then copy the private key data and put it on the GitHub. So do it this way: cat id, you do tilde dash dot ssh id dot rsa dot pub. Okay, so you get the key, you copy the key from here. Okay, so you are done. You put the key in here. Okay, so here you can see that your code is your SSH RSA key is there. It already has a name, or you can put a different name. Let's put whatever this. Alright, and then add key. Now we can clone, you can do everything. Okay, that's it how you edit. It's also same for GitHub. Okay, I'll show it to the GitHub. Okay, there you go. GitHub, go to the GitHub. Okay, and go there. Then I think go to the settings. Okay, and um, account accessibility, a SSH key and JPG key. Okay, you select this one and then you just click new SSH key. You can use the same key here, just push the key. Okay, and then put the title. That's it. Okay guys, so that's it how you do it. After doing it, you can just use git clone SSH URL. So I think now you got the proper idea how to do this thing. Okay, so to get, I will try to put many more videos as kind of trick, little kind of educational thing on my channel to get more such kind of, to get videos like that, uh, and notification of the updates of my channels. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye, take care.